go. Oh, a bit of a... Oh, George is on it. Jake, struggling there, mate.
Wait, no, you didn't tie it up.
Stick him in the snow, Nick. Winner! Oh, wait, no, your hand... Oh, you've got to dismantle it now.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you do. George is still assembling his. Yes, Nick's got it. And Jake's... Jake, you suck. I don't want Jake rescuing me.
This won't... My hands are wet. It won't come undone.
My hands are wet. There's still second place to go. I'm not coming third.
You did first to last.
Well, you'll get podium points, so.
This is stuck. I started off so strong.
No, you didn't, George.
You can do it.
Come on, power!
Come on, George.
Come on, George!
Buddy, you can do it. There we go.
Finally.
That's it.